In this video, I'll show you how to connect your HP LaserJet M234sdw to your PC Windows computer. So let's get started right away. First, we need to make sure that your HP printer is in pairing mode. So over here, we'll go on the screen. If you don't see anything on the screen, make sure first of all your printer is turned on and this white light is turned on. Then you're going to press once on the I button, simply to wake up your printer. Next, to make sure that it's in pairing mode, you should see the Wi-Fi icon here flashing. The button for the Wi-Fi right over here should flash as well. So if it's flashing, you can go to the next step. If not, let me show you how to make them flash. You're going to press the I button 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then release it. And then you need to press the Wi-Fi button at the same time as the X button. Let me do it like that. And now you're gonna wait about a minute, and let's come back in a minute. Okay, now I'm back after a minute, and you see here the Wi-Fi button is flashing, the icon is flashing as well. Now next step is to go on your PC, Windows computer, and we're gonna go over here and launch the Microsoft Store. You need to download the HP Smart app. Okay, so you're gonna type HP Smart, then go down and select this app over here, HP Smart. Download it and open it. After you open the app, you're gonna get this screen. This is the main menu of the app. Press Add Printer. Then it will search. Wait a few seconds. And your HP printer should appear here. Press the Setup button. Then press Continue. Press No Thanks and type the Wi-Fi password of your network. So the same network that your Windows PC is currently connected to. Then press Connect. Your printer will now connect to the Wi-Fi. So be patient. And they will ask you at a certain point to press the I button on your HP printer. Let's just wait until they ask us to do so. Okay, here. Once you see this, go on your printer and press once on the I icon. Then the setup will continue on your PC screen. Then you're gonna get the green check mark. Press the Continue button. Continue. After a few seconds, you should see your HP printer appearing on the top. You need to be patient. Sometimes it takes up to 2 minutes. Once you see this, you should also see how much ink is left. Well, now it's full since it's a brand new printer. And when you're ready to print, you're going to press the Print Document tab here. Select any file on your PC. Let's say this one. Make sure that under printer here, your HP printer is the one selected. So I'll search it in this list. This is mine. I'll click on it. Make sure these settings are okay with you. Then press the print button. Extend this small flap and wait for the paper to come in. Here we go. This is how you print. Now let me show you how to scan. So this printer has 2 different scanners. We have the automatic document feeder on the top. Okay, you need to open this. If you have multiple pages, what you need to do, so take your pages, put them, align them, place them facing up. Like this, glide them inside with the top part of your page on the left side. Then over here, you're going to press the purple scan button. Over here, under source, make sure document feeder is selected. Then over here, make sure these settings are okay with you. Resolution here, if you're scanning some pictures or some graphics, select 300 dpi. If it's just text, 150 is enough. then press scan, and the printer will take one by one each page. You can have many. Don't touch anything, just wait until this is done. And now on the screen over here, let's wait a few seconds. You're going to have all your pages on the left side. You can rotate the pages if you're not happy with the orientation by clicking this small icon on the lower right side of the page. And then you have a few options. If you want to add more pages to this document, you can click add and go ahead, put more pages over here, and it will scan them and add them to this list. When you're done, you have the option to print what you just scanned. You have the option to save it on your PC and share it on social media or email. If you click save, and I think most people will choose that, you will be able to give this a brand new name, okay? And then select the type of file you want to save. If it's some pictures, choose JPEG. If it's a PDF, if it's a text file, choose basic PDF. And if you choose basic PDF, you'll be able to combine all these pages into one file. Compression, leave it like this, press save, and select which folder on your PC you want this to be saved in. Press save when you're done. If you want to use the basic scanner that is located right over here, it's about the same process. The only difference, let me take a page here. Place your document facing down with the top part of your document on the left side, and then align this corner. Whoops, there's two pages actually. Let me remove this. With this corner touching this corner of the scanner. Okay, so glide it until both are touching. Close this. The only thing you'll do differently is under source, make sure scanner glass is selected. And then modify this, press scan, and you'll do the same exact thing that we did a few seconds ago. So this is about it. This is how you pair and how to use your HP LaserJet M234sdw with your Windows PC computer. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and if you want to get some toner for your printer, check my Amazon affiliate links. I'll put some links. It's also supporting my channel every time you go through them for a toner, for paper, or maybe if you want to get a brand new printer as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.